Hello everybody, I know you saw the snowman dance everywhere, and in this tutorial you will learn how to dance it.
It's a really simple dance, so it will be only 3 minutes to learn everything about it. So let's get started.
Firstly, the man will invite his partner to the dance with his right arm.
The woman will accept the invitation, also using her right palm.
Now, both of the dancers will go to the front with their right foot and will close the step.
After that, both of them will go to the back with their left foot in the same time.
Let's try it one more time. Now we will continue with the third step. Change of places. Right foot in front and our right hand will hold upwards. Left foot to the side, and after that we shall close the step. Let's try it one more time. So we have leg in front, arms up, left foot to the side, and we are closing the step.
Then again, together, apart, we change our places. Let's go. 1, 2, and close.
Let's try again a little bit faster. I will go, I will invite the lady with my right arm, and after that with the first step. 1, backwards, 2, 3, we are changing the places, and 4. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Final step. With my left arm, I will turn my partner until we are face to face. Let's do it one more time. So, we change the hand, and now we turn our partner on the left side.
Now, let's see our arms position. The man's left palm facing upwards, and the woman's right palm facing towards. The man's right hand on the woman's back, and the woman's left hand on the man's shoulder. After that, we can go with a slow dance with a full circle.
Okay, now let's put it together. So, the invitation, and after that, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Changing the hand, spinning, together, slow dance. And this is the snowman.